Welcome to Content Workflow Explained. In this series, we will explore how to streamline your content creation process from the very first idea to the moment your content goes live. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your system, understanding these 4 core stages will help you work smarter, create consistently, and publish quality content every single time. Let's dive in. Every successful content creator follows a structured process. We break this down into 4 essential stages. First is ideation, where you plan and conceptualize your ideas. Second is creation, where you produce and script your content. Third is production, where you actually record and edit your materials. And fourth is publication, where you publish and share your content with your audience. Understanding each stage will make your workflow efficient and sustainable. The ideation stage is where everything begins. Start by researching your topic and understanding what your audience needs to learn. Next, define the scope of what you will cover and what you will leave out. Then create a detailed outline that structures your main points in a logical flow. Finally, plan your visuals by sketching out your slides and thinking about what diagrams or graphics will help explain your ideas. A solid ideation phase saves you time in every stage that follows. The creation stage is where you bring your plan to life. Begin by writing your script, crafting clear and engaging narration that aligns perfectly with your outline. Next, design your slides and visual materials to support what you're saying. Then prepare any resources you will need, such as code samples, templates, or reference materials. Finally, review everything for accuracy and coherence before you move to production. This careful preparation ensures your final video is polished and professional. The production stage is where you create the actual video content. Start by recording your audio in a quiet environment to capture clear narration. Then do your screen recordings, capturing demonstrations at the proper resolution and speed. Next, edit your video by syncing the audio, trimming clips, and adding transitions and graphics where needed. Finally, perform a quality check by reviewing the entire video for audio clarity, visual quality, and overall content accuracy. This stage determines the final quality of your content. The publication stage is your final push to get your content in front of your audience. Begin by preparing your metadata, which includes writing a compelling title, description, tags, and creating or selecting a thumbnail. Next, upload your content to your platform with all the proper settings and formatting applied. Then optimize for search engine visibility by using relevant keywords and writing descriptions that help people discover your content. Finally, promote your video across your other channels and track its performance metrics to understand how your audience is responding. To make your workflow more efficient, batch similar tasks together. Record multiple videos in one session and edit them in batches to maintain consistency and save time. Create reusable templates for your slides and script structures so you do not have to start from scratch every time. Use time blocking by dedicating specific time slots for each workflow stage so you can stay focused and minimize distractions. Finally, automate repetitive work using tools that can handle uploads, thumbnail generation, and metadata management automatically. These small changes compound into massive time savings. Having the right tools for each stage makes a huge difference. For writing and planning, use Google Docs or Notion to organize your ideas, Figma for design work, and MindNode for creating outlines. For recording, open broadcaster software, ScreenFlow, or Camtasia are excellent choices. For editing your videos, try Adobe Premiere Pro for professional results, DaVinci Resolve for free high-quality editing, or CapCut for simpler edits. For distribution, YouTube Studio is essential, TubeBuddy helps with search optimization, and Buffer lets you schedule content across multiple platforms. Choosing tools that fit your workflow is key to staying productive. To improve your content over time, you need to track the right metrics. Monitor your views and view growth rate month over month to see if your audience is expanding. Track engagement through click-through rate and comments to understand if people are finding value in your content. Check retention by looking at watch time to see if viewers are staying until the end. Measure clicks on your links to see if your content is driving conversions. Track your reach through impressions to understand total visibility. Finally, monitor your subscriber growth rate to see if your channel is expanding. These metrics tell the story of your content success and guide your future decisions. Your efficient workflow is the foundation for creating quality content consistently. When you have a solid system in place, you can focus on what matters most, your message and your audience. Master each stage of the workflow, optimize your process continuously as you discover what works best for you, and commit to creating consistently. Building an efficient system takes some time up front, but it pays dividends in the long run. Start building your workflow today and watch how your productivity and content quality improve. Now get out there and create something amazing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.